Hello everyone. So today we are going towards our exercise 8.2, which is based on many terms: selling price, cost price, discount, increase percent, decrease percent, tax, VAT, value added tax, and GST, goods services tax. Fine. If you remember, there was one simple formula we did in grade 7 for SP and CP. SP into 100 is CP into 100 minus loss percent. SP into 100 is CP plus 100 plus profit percent. If it is profit, then we add. If it is loss, then we subtract. So rather than going for the longer methods, I will be telling you to do some change in this formula only, so that you people can solve your questions very easily. In case of discount, you can take this loss one formula, because discount is always subtracted. So in case of discount, the formula will become SP into 100 is equals to marked price into 100 minus discount percent. It means CP को हम mark price लेते हैं, mark price के ऊपर discount मिलता है, and then you go for SP. So there are two terms with the discount, MP and SP. And then in the case of increase and decrease percent, if you go for the SP, that will be the value after change, क्योंकि selling price हमेशा उसके ऊपर कुछ plus minus करके बनता है. If you go for in the place of CP, you can go for the original value of the thing, and value after change into 100, the same formula, CP original value. And then in the case of loss and profit, it will be decrease loss and increase will be profit. So 100 plus increase percent and 100 minus decrease percent. Fine. So you can go with this formula. In case of tax, taxes are always added to your CP. So it will be SP into 100 is CP into 100 plus VAT percent. SP into 100 is CP into 100 plus GST percent. If both are there, so those will be added, because those are the taxes. In case you calculate simple tax, calculate the given percentage of your cost price and then add the answer to the cost price to take your amount. In case you have to solve the simple tax, this one, you can go for it from. This is when your percentage is given, but you need to find out some SP and CP, and this you people can do after the amount. If your tax percent is only given, simple tax percent is given. So going for the questions, our first question is: man got a 10% increase in salary. If it's new salary, find the original. New salary is given, it means after increase is given. So increase percent is given, salary after increase is given. So I have used this formula after change one. Salary after increase into 100 is equals to original salary into 100 plus increase percent, because there was an increase. If it could be decrease, I'll subtract it over here. Make sure you calculate it in bracket only first. Don't multiply it here. So 100 plus I, 110, it can be taken to the other side. Cancel whatever the cancel, then multiply. That is your answer. In second question, there are a number of people given on Sunday, those who visit zoo, and then on Monday, but it was decreased. You need to find out percentage decrease. It is a simple one. So you can calculate decrease percent as original value minus change in value upon original value into 100. So 845 minus 169 upon 845 into 100. I hope you remember this one. Then third, I am giving hint for the questions which you have to solve. So third question is: a shopkeeper buys 80 articles for rupees 2400. It is given of 80 articles. So we'll find for one article first. Then sells them on a profit of 16%. Find the selling price of one article. That's why. We will find cost price of one article first. So rupees 2400 upon 80, whatever comes, write down. Profit percent is 16%. Now calculate SP by putting the values in this formula. SP into 100 is CP into 100 plus profit percent. CP you will calculate from here. Profit percent is given. 100 will come over here, and then you can find the value of SP. Next is question number 4. The cost of an article was this, and repairs were of rupees 450. So it means cost is both of them together. We'll add them. Then if it is solved for a profit of 15%, find selling price. The same formula you people will use over here. First cost price is cost on repair also, and cost price. Together it's 15,950. Profit percent is 15%. SP into 100 is CP into 100 plus profit percent. Put the given values over here, and then find out the value of SP after calculating. Then don't do question number 5, go for question number 6. During a sale, a shop offered a discount of 10% on the marked prices of all the items. What would a customer have to pay for a pair of jeans marked at rupees 1450 and 2 shirts marked at 850? So I'll find first total marked price. For the jeans 1450, for one shirt and for second shirt. So together they make rupees 3150. Discount percent was given 10%. And as we know, discount is always subtracted. So SP into 100 is equals to MP into 100 minus discount percent, and discount percent is 10. So 100 minus 10 is 90. We'll move this 100 to the other side. It will divide over there. 0 zeros cancel. Multiply them, and this is your answer. After that, question number 9 I am solving here. 8 and 10 I'll give you hint. Only these questions will do from the exercise. Question number 9 is Arun bought a pair of skates at a sale where discount was given this. If amount pays is 1600, find MP. Now here we need to find MP. Just remember those formula of discount percent. SP is given, discount percent is given, MP we need to find. So in the place of MP, write down the same. In the place of SP, put its value. Discount percent, put its value. 100 minus 20 becomes 80, so we'll take that 80 there. So our market price comes as rupees 2000. For question number 8, the price of TV is given. Sales tax charge on it is at the rate of 12%. Find the amount. This is that simple one I was talking. CP is given, tax is 12%. So to calculate 12% of CP, उसी के ऊपर tax लगेगा. So 12% of CP, whatever comes, then find out amount CP plus tax. This CP plus whatever the tax will come, add both of them here and you will get your answer. Question number 10 is, I purchased a hair dryer for rupees 5400 including 8% VAT. अगर वो including 8% VAT है तो मतलब वो बाद वाला price है. It means it is SP for the shopkeeper. Find the price before VAT was added. Before मतलब हमें cost price उसका पता करना है. So SP is 5400, VAT is 8%. SP is given, so I have put the value 5400. 100 is already there. Sorry, I have changed the sides over here. And the CP was 100 plus VAT percent. 100 plus VAT, 100 plus 8 is 108. So 108 is divided over here. It is rupees 5000. अगर आपको यहाँ पे confusion हो जाएगी, तो you can add a step. So now this will move to this side and then calculate, and that's your answer. Thank you everyone. Do the questions that are being discussed over here. It means you have to do question number 1, 4, 6, 9, 2, 3, 8 and 10. Thank you.